Meaning of freeholder.
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 Freeholder. A freeholder is a person who owns a freehold estate, which is a type of property ownership that grants the owner complete ownership and control of both the land and any buildings on it. Freehold estates are in contrast to leasehold estates, which give the owner a right to use the property but not complete ownership. Freeholders have the right to sell, lease, or mortgage their property as they see fit, and they are responsible for maintaining it. In short, a freeholder is a property owner with full ownership rights and responsibilities.